Good evening.
I think we have something very, very excellent with us. These two people, they have shared us a very great moment with us. We are happy to see them here. I would like to thank them personally there. Also, Anmol, आमिर खान, रेडियो मिर्ची, जो हम लोग रोज सुनते हैं दिन भर, और वाह, और आज का दिन का तो एक फैमिली गेट टुगेदर है, और इस फैमिली गेट टुगेदर के जहांपना जो सामने बैठे हैं ना, जहांपना जी तोहफा कबूल हो. This is for both of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Shami uncle, you have known Chacharan very closely. So why don't you tell our friends today something about him? Any experience or any Nasir sir?
आमिर बेटे ने आपको बताया कि तीसरी मंजिल was supposed to be Devanand, and I got it eventually, of course. उन्होंने ये नहीं बताया कि पहली पिक्चर जो मेरी सक्सेसफुल हुई है जिसमें मैंने काम किया था नासिर के साथ, that also belonged to Devanand. तुमसा नहीं देखा, that song itself, यूं तो हमने लाख हंसी देखे हैं, तुमसा नहीं देखा, was recorded, and then Dev Saab walked out of that picture at Filmistan Studios. I don't know for whatever reasons, but he said मुझे नहीं करनी. And I was thrust upon Nasir Hussain.
That was Chacharan's first film as a director. Yeah.
And that is how we became friends. We became wonderful, great friends.
That's when you removed your moustache, gave yourself a crew cut.
In Tum Sa Nahi Dekha. Yes. And that is, वहाँ से हमारी दोस्ती शुरू हुई और फिर चलती रही. And Nasir was a fabulous man. He wrote wonderfully well. As you saw, आपने देखा इस पिक्चर में एक डायलॉग, तुला हुआ डायलॉग है. I could speak a lot about Nasir.
One of my favorite scenes is that Rocky ने कहा है. रॉकी ने कहा है कि
आपकी आंखें खूबसूरत है.
मेरी इतनी दोस्ती नासिर से है कि नासिर ने जो डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं और मेरे लिए जो खास तौर पे मैं समझता हूँ मैंने वैसे ही उनको बोला है जैसे कि नासिर ने सोचा है. तो उसने सोचा है और मैंने बोला है.
You know, also originally actually Chacharan was directing this film also. Teesri Manzil was something he wrote for himself to direct. And Goldie Uncle was originally directing Baharon Ke Sapne, another film that my uncle produced. And then that was a switch that also happened, where Goldie Uncle directed Teesri Manzil and Chacharan directed Baharon Ke Sapne.
Amar sir, sorry to interrupt. We have a very special listener of our show here. He can't see, but he wanted to come and be a part of this screening. Right. And he wants to ask a question to Shami uncle. Shami uncle?
Yeah. I am very, very fond of our Shami uncle. And I think since '69 I have lost my vision. Before that I have seen Shami's pictures, all the pictures, so many times. And each and every song of Shami Kapoor, I am having collection with me. And whenever any song of comes Shami ji, still I start shaking and rocking. And firstly, I came to know in that an evening in Paris that he is on wheelchair. Somebody was along with me that time. So I felt very shocky. And I couldn't imagine. So I went at home and prayed that he should come back again in his form as he was in the past.
Well, I'll tell you something. What's your name, sir?
Mahesh Desai.
Mahesh ji, I want to tell you something that Shami uncle sits on the wheelchair because, like in the film, he said कि हमारे खानदान में किसी को काम करने की आदत नहीं. हम हाथ तोड़ते हैं, खटिया तोड़ते हैं, हुक्का पीते हैं, पान खाते हैं. So he is sitting on the wheelchair because of that. And I want to tell you, you have shared with us, that you lost your vision in sometime in 1969, but he is looking just the same. So what you remember him as is exactly like that.
एक्चुअली इनकी तीसरी मंजिल उन्होंने तब 2 बार देखी थी एक्चुअली.
अच्छा.
अभी तक भी मुझे एक सीन याद है कि इन्होंने कैसा एक्टिंग किया था, क्या 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 किया था, ऐसे ऐसे उंगलियां ऐसे ऐसे किया.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Desai sahab. Thank you so much.
Just,
Ladies and gentlemen,
मैं सेकंड कर सकता हूँ क्या उनसे, क्योंकि people are watching him by eyes.
Okay. So what I would request is, if somebody from the security and somebody from PVR can escort the gentleman this side. So when Shammi uncle, or actually if you can escort him up, Shammi uncle, he can shake hands with you. He can't see. He lost his eyesight in 1969. So before that, all the films he'd seen of yours, he remembers that, and he still listens to your songs, and so he wants to come up and shake hands with you. He's being helpful. So, Shammi uncle, you wait. Shammi uncle, you wait. They'll help him up.
Amir, while we're waiting for him to come up, there's this gentleman out here. He's written 4 lines for Asha ji and for Shami ji.
Okay.
Can he just read it out, please?
Okay, one sec. Before you read it out, hold on. Let me. Yes, sir. Come and shake hands with Asha auntie also. Come. And shake hands with me also.
इमेजिन करता हूँ आपको.
Thank you.
वो आपका गाना है ना, गुलाम का, क्या आती क्या कंडाला. आप 2 लाइन सुना दीजिए.
सुना देंगे तो मजा आ जाएगा.
जरूर. आइए. अनमोल जी सर.
This good day came in my life through you only.
Thank you so much.
Samal, thank you.
This is what. Yeah, Amar sir, this is what we earn being on radio.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, let's hear the 4 lines.
Yeah, good evening everybody. And ये लाइनें स्पेशली आशा जी और शमी जी के लिए है. मैं चाहूँगा इन लाइनों के बाद ज़ोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए आज की इस शाम के ये कपल के लिए. लाइनें कुछ इस तरह हैं. कुछ यूं जुदा था उनकी अदाकारी का अंदाज, कुछ यूं जुदा था उनकी अदाकारी का अंदाज, के सुना भी कुछ नहीं और कहा भी कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि हम भी खोए हुए थे, वो भी खोए हुए थे अपनी अदाकारी में. कुछ यूं बर्बाद हुए हम उनके प्यार में, कुछ यूं बर्बाद हुए हम उनके प्यार में, कि लुटा भी कुछ नहीं और बचा भी कुछ नहीं, कि लुटा भी कुछ नहीं और बचा भी कुछ नहीं. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए शम्मी जी और आशा जी के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉट एवर यू हैव गिवन अस. थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay, Anmol is telling me that we've run out of time, so let me put the blame where it's supposed to go. But I want to once again thank Anmol, because of him and his concept of the show that we're all here today.
Thank you so much.
Sharing
The whole
this-
team of Radio Mirchi.
and the team of Radio Mirchi, absolutely.
Radio Mirchi rock!
And you know, I want to thank Radio Mirchi and Anmol because I feel that, you know, because of this effort, we've all had this opportunity, this special day, where we could actually experience the film once again in the presence of Asha auntie and Shammi uncle. I wish Pancham uncle was here. I wish Majroo Saab was here. I wish Nasir Saab was here. I wish Goldie uncle was here, and the entire team. It would have been so amazing for us. But wherever they are, Rafi Saab, yes. But wherever they are, we remember them very, very fondly. And this evening has truly been a special evening for all of us. Thank you, Anmol. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Amar sir, for gracing us and Shammi uncle, Asha. Thank you so much. I request you to please take your seats so that
Yeah,
ये हमारा जो exit है वो बिल्कुल smooth हो जाए.